Hey guys, Kea here. Today me and my friends are back at the GT spot and the waves are a lot bigger. We'll be spearfishing along the cracks and hopefully we bring some fish home.
We out here. What are you gonna catch?
Another day back at the GT spot. Hopefully we can nice fish today. Let's get it. Hey, jump tight.
What a mission it was to get out there today. The waves were just thrashing us around. So glad we didn't lose anything. As we get out there, to my surprise, the water was still clear. From the surface, I see this nice sized fish in the cracks. So I drop down and I realize it's a big barunang. It's swimming way fast and I take a long shot. I managed to hit it, but I can tell that the spear hasn't gone all the way through and the fish comes off. Luckily, I placed a solid shot and the fish is immobilized. I'm trying to catch my breath fast and then I go down to retrieve it. The waves are pushing me and the fish around and I'm carefully trying to grab it because I don't want to get hit by its venomous spines. Those things hurt so bad when you get spiked. I do a few dives checking out the cracks and trying to lure some fish in. I saw a Maori go and hide under this rock, so I go down and I'm waiting for it to come out, hoping that it wouldn't see me. And it comes out a little further than I expected. I couldn't get close enough for a shot. I see another Maori hanging around in the sand patch. As I'm swimming towards Harley, I spot a couple yellow spot trevally. I pick and spear one, but I notice that the fish is barely hanging on the tip and that the flopper hasn't fully engaged. These yellow spots are one of the better tasting trevallies in my opinion, especially in these sizes. They've got real nice and soft meat. I do a few more dives as I drift down with the current. Here seeing an emperor, but it doesn't want to be taken home. It was a fun short dive. Thanks for watching and God bless you.
Ah, we made it. Oh.